Hey, all you viewers of a Day Later, how we doing today? Not COVID, fat boy allergies. Well, that's right. As you know by that thumbnail picture, whatever you clicked on, Fable Beard Co. is back on the channel. Today we're going to take a look at The Engineer. And yes, we are in the alternate filming area. Got to change it up a little bit. The kids are having fun downstairs playing Roblox, so I'm not going to screw with them, and I get to shoot my videos, right? Alrighty guys, now Fable is no stranger to the channel whatsoever. Take a look right up top. You're going to see a card for every single beard care, skincare, hair care I've ever brought to the channel. You're going to see some great reviews in there about Fable. Now for those of you who are familiar with Fable Beard Co., skip ahead about a minute. Alright, that's when you're going to get to the real meat of this video. Now for those of you who are not familiar with Fable, I love giving some background info on the company because you never ever know what might make you interested in buying, right? You can find them at www.fablebeardco.com. They are proudly made in the USA. He used to be out of Lexington, Virginia, but now he's somewhere in Bougie Land, Tennessee. They opened their doors in about 2018. Took them a little bit to get going, but man, seriously, Fable is just a dominant force in men's grooming right now. Colin, he is the CEO, he is the wizard, he is the original Fable character. He is the mastermind who has brought all this together, and he keeps it rolling, keeps it moving, keeps doing great stuff. This company prides itself on its customer service, and guys, I'm telling you, what I always love to do is go in and take a look at reviews on things. Well, the one that I found was a customer had like 5 different attempts by Colin to satisfy him, and finally he just went, look, I got to give you a refund because obviously this isn't really going to work for you. They tried 5 times to make a customer happy. What company's going to do that? I also love the motto of this company. Every beard has a story. And that's so correct, because the way I grow my beard and groom my beard is different than yours. Your version of why you grew a beard is different than mine. I just think that's incredibly cool. Alright, now for the fun stuff. I'm going to tell you straight up front here, I do have an affiliate code that you can use at checkout to save you some money. I'm going to leave that right about there. It's TCTBNL15. Now, like I said, it is an affiliate code, so if you use it, yes, the channel does get a small kickback. You're basically helping support a channel while you are getting some amazing products. It does come in a 1 ounce amber bottle with an eyedropper top, and the cost on this guy is $18. Now, I'm filming this July 5th, 2020, so you never know if there's sales or prices change. So, you know, don't at me a year after this video's up going, well, it's now this, but you said that. Anywho. Now, the scent profile on this thing is like a spiced citrus. It's seriously reminding me of, God, how can I put it? Like, you know the holidays when you get that cup of, like, spiced cider and all that flavors and everything coming up? It's really what it reminded me of, like spiced citrus. It's great. Now, they say it's sweet orange, lemongrass, and clove. But it's got that holiday feel to it, and wow, it's amazing. The scent strength on it, I'll say it's medium, and it lasted me about a good 6 hours. Seriously, it was just a wonderful smell for that time, and it's, I don't know, hopefully you can see that. It's one of my favorites by Fable. Seriously, I love this one. Now, the carrier oils in here, man, I'm just losing it today. It's like I'm so off trying to do a video, but still, if you guys know my channel, you know this is normal at times. But the carrier blend in there is Fable's proprietary thing of coconut oil, castor oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, sweet almond oil, and essential fragrance blends. Not bad, man. Oh, for those of you who like to see that, there's the oil. It's seriously, to me, a really, really good medium weight oil. Okay. Now, if you're really unfamiliar with beard oil, it's got 3 great uses, all right? Number 1 is it's a great vitamin, supplement for your skin under your beard. Yes, beard oil primarily is for the skin under your beard and to help, your beard lock in the nutrients and everything. Your body can only produce so many healthy oils in order to keep your beard growing out long, luscious, beautiful, and just incredible. You doubt me? Look, I know we're coming to the end of COVID when I'm filming this video. Well, I should say we're getting released into the wild again. Take about 48 hours and just don't do anything with your whole head. Seriously, don't wash it, don't whatever. This is going to get incredibly greasy and it's going to drive you insane. This will get dry, bird's nesty, crackly, and you're going to want to rip it out. So you need that nutrition for your beard in order to keep things going great. Second great use, especially with Fable. I don't know what Colin does, but how he mixes this, it really makes your beard feel baby butt smooth. It really does. You really want your better half curling up next to you, not curling up next to a cactus and giving you the poof. No. Mm-mm. And the third great use of beard oil is that scent profile. If you find one that works for you, it's going to give you a great psychological advantage because it's going to give you that little pick-me-up. Especially if your better half likes it. Yeah, buddy. Alright. Now, if you're not sure how to use it, really, really simple. Like I said, it's got that eyedropper top. Get whatever amount you need in there and dispense it into your hands. Now, for my beard, I use about the size of a quarter. Okay? Seriously. Rub your hands together. And then just basically rub it in, rub your hands together to really activate that scent profile, warm it up. Work it into your beard and work it all the way down to your skin. Groom it out. It's that simple. Now, for you guys who are just starting off on your beard journey, put the amount you think you need into your beard, and then like half hour later, just do this. Very lightly, rub your hands over your beard. If you have an oil slick, you have used way, way, way too much. All right? Whew. Yeah, I'm like scatterbrained today. Seriously, I really am. But anyhow, I probably shouldn't say that on a video, but I'm going to leave it there. Now the fun part of the video for me. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comments section. Have you used Fable before? Have you used the Engineer before? Have you had successes with it? Have you had no successes with it? I'd like to know, seriously, because one of my favorites by Fable right there. Alright, guys. Now, for you first-time viewers of my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know there's lots of options out there, and I'm very, very grateful that you chose this one. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question is why? What can I do to earn your subscription? Leave me a comment right down below, and let's be constructive, You never know what I can put in a future video to help make it better. Now, after you guys have done that, take a look right there in that corner. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please, if you so choose, destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because it's going to let YouTube notify you every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those great videos we all love on YouTube, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick look at Fables the Engineer. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope all of you are being safe and having a great day.